Patient Nguyễn Văn Toàn had previously undergone surgery, but the tumor returned, destroying about 80% of his talus and leaving him at risk of permanent disability. After extensive multidisciplinary consultations, doctors chose to replace the damaged bone with a patient-specific 3D printed titanium implant designed and manufactured in Vietnam.
Without 3D printing technology, we would have had only two options, amputation or ankle fusion. This customized titanium implant allows us to restore both the anatomy and function of the ankle, giving patients a much better chance of returning to normal life.
Our dual objective was to completely remove the tumor while reconstructing the talus so the patient could regain mobility. Surgeons and engineers worked together to plan every stage of the procedure with millimeter-level precision.
The 2-hour operation successfully removed the tumor and replaced the artificial talus in its correct anatomical position.
I hope he'll recover fully, walk normally again, and even run. I just want him to have a healthy future without suffering anymore.
Less than 24 hours after surgery, the patient began rehabilitation. Just 2 months later, he is walking independently and pain-free, marking another milestone for Vietnamese surgeons in applying personalized 3D printing technology to complex orthopedic surgery.